Good morning to all the students. Today's topic title is Importance of Health and Physical Education for Women. Introduction. Social inequality, poverty, and inequitable access to resources, including healthcare, result in a high burden of non-communicable diseases among women worldwide. Although women generally tend to live longer with NCDs than men, they are often in poor health. Women who are key in maintaining healthy families access the health system more than men, both for themselves and behalf of the children. Women, as the main agents of primary health care, play an essential role in maintaining family and community health. Why physical and health education is important in school? Now students, first we will understand why physical and health education is important to teach and learn in school. I hope you all are aware what is difference between physical and health education. It is because if we get habit of cleanliness and exercise in childhood, we will implement it throughout our life and also help to carry on the habits to upcoming generation. Students who play sports are better able to concentrate and maintain focus, which has a positive impact on their academic life. Regular exercise is vital in the fight against child obesity. Students who exercise regularly have a better quality of sleep. Physical exercise helps children relieve stress and anxiety. Playing sports in group help young people to improve their teamwork and leadership skills. Physical activity promotes positive body image in teenagers, especially among women and girls. Sports teaches children to have improved self-discipline. They can implement this self-control in all aspects of their life. Physical education helps children to develop their confidence. This can have a positive aspect in all areas of their life. Sports helps children develop their motor skills and strengthen their muscles. Children who play regular sports have improved behavior in school. Chester College, we know the main benefits sports can bring, and we give physical education classes the priority they deserve. That is why every students currently take part in daily sports sections as a part of their academic timetable. Benefits of physical activities for women. Regular physical activity can improve women's health and help prevent many of the disease and conditions that are major causes of death and disability for women around the world. Many women suffer from disease processes that are associated with inadequate participation in physical activities. Common diseases in women: cardiac diseases, diabetes, osteoporosis, breast cancer, arthritis. These are the diseases which women will face because of lack of physical activity and also health education. Physical activity has also been associated with improved psychological health by reducing levels of stress, anxiety, and depression. This is particularly important for women who demonstrate an incidence of depression that is reported to be almost double that of men in both developed and developing countries. It has also been suggested that physical activity can contribute to building self esteem and confidence and can provide a vehicle of social integrity with equality for women in society. Reasons for physical inactivity in women. Physically inactivity is generally more prevalent among girls and women than their male counterparts. Many factors hinders the participation of women in physical activity with their access to health care. First, women often have a workload in the home and caregiving roles for other family members, which may limit the time availability for them to engage in physical activities. Second one is women who have limited mobility may be unable to travel to health care or physical activity facility. Third one, cultural expectations may restrict the participation of women in certain forms of physical activity. Appropriate physical activity for women. Although in principle women should be encouraged to increase their participation in physical activity, it is important not to overlook the fact that often in rural and in low income urban areas, women may be already physically exhausted by other forms of day long occupational physical activities. Women in these areas may need a better balanced set of support actions such as adequate nutrition, income generation initiatives, advice on physical activities most relevant to their specific conditions, and adapted leisure pursuits. Students, here I'll be concluding the topic with these few words. The reason why I have chosen this topic is we all are aware that very few girls participate in physical activity in college and school. Here I'm not worried about the achievements in sports, okay? But my focus is on health education and physical activity for girls. I'll come to the point why my focus is on so much on women and girls in this topic. Because I think if a girl, that girl, she could be your mother, a daughter, or any girl who has a good knowledge of health, exercise, diet, and about home remedies, that family members will rarely fall ill, or children may uh, face will never face obesity problems. The family members will be encouraged for exercise and physical activities. Everyone will definitely enjoy delicious and nutritious food if she has a good nutrition knowledge and what to be given uh, to maintain the balanced diet. In the end, I would like to say a woman is the key to happiness of her family. Thank you. Stay home and stay fit. Bye bye.